My video guide is about removing Pcprotect.name pop-up windows, which are the example of the typical online scam. These scary alerts currently attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. They try to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that because of some leaks in the security, your personal information is exposed. Obviously, this is a very scary message to hear, and the pop-up claims to be related to some decent security program. However, there is no connection between these pop-ups and that decent security program. If you click on this Get Protected button, you will be forwarded to some other dangerous pages in the internet that may promote some other potentially unwanted software. Also, it's a mistake to click on Allow button because this will hijack your browser with multiple advertisements. To fix the issue, access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings. In Permissions, click on Notifications and research all the websites allowed to send notifications. So when you find this Pcprotect.name, remove it from the list. If you see any other junk sites here, remove them too. I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official website Pcprotect.name. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.